Good morning everyone, my name is Subina Mary and today I'll be teaching you or kind of explaining you the topic graphs. This is a very important topic though. I'll be telling you not only one but two of the graphs. First line graph and second pie chart or pie graph. In maths, graphs are defined as a pictorial or interactive representation of any set of data collected. So let's zoom in. Boom. Line graphs, also known as line plot, is a graph showing individual points connected like these. These points in this graph depict how much money was made per month. If you see as an example this point depicts if February made $30,000. Very easy. If you want to know about the lines, these lines depict if the graph is ascending or descending. To the next one. Looks like a pie, which is then divided. For an example, here is this pie chart, which is made by me. Doesn't it look good? In this pie chart, you can see different types of pets: cats, parrots, hamsters, and puppies. Puppies are the most loved pets around the world. Pie charts, the divided regions in pie charts show numerical proportions like percentage. So puppies are 35%. These pie charts are mostly used in rough data or for sample representations. Thank you.